This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Don't pass up this adorable home in the heart of Portsmouth. Beautifully updated, this home has everything to offer. Big-ticket items such as the roof and hot water heater were replaced in 2021. A spacious front porch painted in a delightful hue of blue to complement the house color is sure to catch your eye. The kitchen was updated in 2021 with new cabinets, countertops, and appliances. The bathroom features a stunning tile reminiscent of a spa. The finished upstairs nearly doubles living space and has been painted and carpeted suitable for multiple use, such as an office or additional storage. Enjoy the outdoors in the large private backyard on a massive deck also built in 2021. For more information, review the details below.